All right, this set of assessments is going to bring your stance into a very narrow stance, and what that means is having your feet together completely with no space. Now, at the end of each assessment, we're looking for 3 things to mark down or assess. We're looking to see is 1, can you even do the assessment? So if you can do the assessment, that's a yes. If you can't do the assessment, that's a no, okay? The second thing that we're looking for is how comfortable does it feel on a scale of 1 to 10. 1 is very uncomfortable, 10 is very, very comfortable, okay? And then the third thing we're looking for is time. How long could you do the assessment for in terms of time? Now, each assessment is going to be 30 seconds long, so if you can do it for 30 seconds, great. If you can't do it for 30 seconds, then just mark down the time that you get if you underperform on an assessment or if you fail, essentially, okay? So you'll need a timer. You can use a phone or a stopwatch or anything, and you will set that timer to count down from 30 seconds, or you can have somebody time for you, okay? So the first assessment with our feet together is that you want to just stand here, head still, eyes closed. And we're just looking here to assess for 30 seconds. Can you do the assessment, or do you want to fall over, or do you tend to fall over and you have to stop yourself? Third is, how comfortable does it feel on a scale of 1 to 10? 1 being very uncomfortable, 10 being very comfortable. And the third thing is, can you go for that full 30 seconds? Okay? So once you get that, make sure you mark it down. Second assessment, we're going to go to eyes open with a head rotation. So you can stare at something in front of you, and again, stance is narrow. Start your clock, and we're going to go for 30 seconds here. Side to side, rotating side to side. Okay, and you're going to mark down, can you do it? How comfortable is it? And what was your time? Okay, third assessment is going to be neck nods. So still eyes open, neck nods up and down for 30 seconds. Okay, again, can you do it? Comfort level and time. The fourth assessment, yes, eyes closed, is we're going to go into eyes closed, rotations. So same thing here as you did with your eyes open, but now your eyes are closed. Side to side for 30 seconds. Mark down, can you do it? How comfortable was it? And what was your time? If you fell over, then you'd have to stop the time at whatever that time was, okay? Last assessment would be same thing, narrow stance, eyes closed, doing those neck nods again for 30 seconds. Again, marking down, can you do it? How comfortable was it? And what your time was, okay? So that is the battery of assessments with your feet together.